In the Philippines, one of the biggest banking companies that has a lot of excellent offers, BDO Unibank. Under this bank, you may apply for deposit accounts, credit cards, and loan products among others. With regards to the loans offered by the bank, there are three personal loan offers. First is the BDO personal loan, second is the BDO auto loan, and the third one is the BDO home loan. I will give you some tips on how to apply for a loan and what are their purposes, what is the maximum loanable amounts and the requirements in every type of loans. Number 1. BDO personal loan. If you are after a multi-purpose loan offer, you may apply for the BDO personal loan. It may help you from making ends meet to making a personal goal happen. You can borrow from 10,000 pesos to 1 million pesos under this loan offer. For the payment of the borrowed amount, you can choose whether you pay it for in 6, 12, 18, 24, and 36 months. Who are eligible to apply for this loan offer? A Filipino citizen or a foreigner residing in the Philippines for more than 2 years already. At least 21 years old but not older than 70 years old upon the loan maturity. Earning at least 120,000 pesos annually for employees and 400,000 pesos annually for self-employed individuals and professionals. Residing or working in BDO serviceable area. For the requirements in applying, salaried employees must prepare the following: a photocopy of the latest BIR Form 2316 or W2 signed by employer's authorized representative, it's mandatory, and submit any of the following: Original Certificate of Employment and Income or COEI issued in the last 3 months, indicating status, length of service, and breakdown of compensation. Second is the photocopy of last full month payslip. For self-employed applicants, the photocopy of registration of business name is required. For partnerships issued by the SEC or Securities and Exchange Commission, you must prepare a photocopy of the latest ITR and W4 with BIR bank stamp. It's mandatory. Second is the photocopy of the latest audited financial statements for the last 2 years. And the third one is the photocopy of the bank statements for the last 6 months. It's optional. Number 2, the BDO auto loan. BDO Unibank also offers auto loan for those who wanted to purchase a car. It is open for both brand new and pre-owned vehicles. You may borrow from 100,000 pesos to 3 million pesos under this offer. To be eligible for this loan, the applicant must be not younger than 21 years old but not older than 70 years old on the day of the maturity of the loan. A Filipino citizen or a foreigner residing in the Philippines for the last 2 years already, having a minimum gross family income of 50,000 pesos every month, locally employed, self-employed, or employed abroad. For the requirements, you must prepare the following: completely filled out application form, photocopy of one valid ID matching application details. For locally employed applicants, submit any of the following: latest income tax return or BIR Form 2316 or latest payslip, certificate of employment with salary or additional for foreigners, current employment contract. For self-employed applicants, prepare photocopy of audited financial statements for the last 2 years with latest ITR, bank statements, or photocopy of passbook for the last 3 months, and certificate of business registration. For applicants employed abroad, submit any of the following proof of remittance for the last 3 months, latest crew contact, FC base, consularized, certificate of employment with income, or latest 3 months payslips. Number 3 is the BDO home loan. BDO Unibank may also assist you in achieving your dream house. It is open to fund any of the following: purchase of house and lot, townhouse unit, purchase of condominium unit, purchase of vacant lot, construction of house, house renovation, home improvement, reimbursement of acquisition, refinancing, or loan takeout. To be eligible for this loan offer, the applicant must be a Filipino citizen or a foreign national, at least 21 years old, but not more than 70 years old on the day that the loan matures, earning at least 50,000 pesos per month, having a stable source of income. The following are the loanable amounts: house and lot acquisition, minimum loanable amount is 500,000 pesos. Maximum loanable amount is up to 80% of the appraised value of the property. Condo unit acquisition. Minimum loanable amount is 500,000 pesos. And the maximum loanable amount for the condo unit is up to 70% of the appraised value of the property. Vacant lot acquisition. The minimum loanable amount is 300,000 pesos. And the maximum loanable amount is up to 70% of the appraised value of the property. Do you want to apply for the said loan offer? You may begin with gathering the requirements. Prepare the following basic documents. Completely filled out application form. Photocopy of one valid ID matching application details. Marriage contract for married applicants. The income requirements will depend on your employment status. For locally employed applicants, you must prepare latest income tax return or BIR form 2316, latest 3 months payslip, certificate of employment with income or COEI. For self-employed applicants, you must prepare photocopy of audited financial statements for the last 2 years with latest ITR, bank statements, or photocopy of passbook for the last 6 months, certificate of business registration from DTI or SEC, articles and partnerships or articles of incorporation, whichever is applicable, business background or company profile. For those who are employed abroad, the following must be submitted: proof of remittance for the last 3 months, latest crew contract if sea-based, consularized certificate of employment with income, or latest 3 months payslips. Submit the requirements to the nearest BDO Unibank branch. Have it checked for completeness and accuracy, and wait for the update from the bank. It may take a few days before you will know if your loan application was approved or rejected.